Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Yvanna, and I am back with a brand new video, a curly hair routine. These are my most popular videos, and I'm going to try and step up my curly hair routines, hair videos in general on this channel for you guys. And luckily I have been asked to be an Amika ambassador, so I'll be bringing you not just Amika, y'all know me, I am not like, hey, love you, but you know, but this is an all Amika tutorial just because I'm trying them all out. I want to see what you guys think about them and see what I should review next. But this is how I get my wash and go style, how I diffuse my curls, how I go from dry back to dry, how I deep condition, cleanse my scalp, every single thing, every step to get you right back into, you know, your hair. Because sometimes you lose yourself in your third, fourth, fifth day hair, in your bun, in your scrunchie, and you forget what the fuck you look like. And that happens to me all the time. So I hope this is helpful, and let me know if you have any questions. Let's get right into the video. Fourth day hair, and it's looking and feeling a little dry, super dry actually, but it's also, I'm sure, a little, it's actually not too bad, but usually at this point I would have like heck of dandruff. So I'm sectioned and ready. I'm going to start with the Amika Reset Pink Charcoal Scalp Cleansing Balm. Cleansing balm? Did I say cleansing balm? Cleansing oil. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm so obsessed with cleansing balms. Look at me. I love the applicators that they have because like this just makes it a lot easier on me. This is my first time using that. It's the first time using most of these products. So I'm just excited to try something new. I've literally been using my old routine since the last time I put a routine, so like for like a year. So this is like an oil to foam, and it foams up like immediately, and you are supposed to use it on completely dry hair. Just right into your scalp. Like, although it's foaming up, it does still have like a very oily kind of like consistency to it. Like it feels moisturizing. It doesn't feel stripping or drying. It's quite nice. So I'm just gonna clip that up and then do all the sections of my hair, and I'll be right back. So I just finished with the reset. It feels quite tingly, like I can feel like right here. So I'm going to shampoo with the 3D Volume and Thickening Shampoo. It smells so good. Oh, the bottle is so cute and chic. Like it's just like long and kind of, okay. I'm gonna rinse this and then we'll put this in. Okay, so I just washed out the Reset. Really, really nice. I love the feeling. It's definitely just a tingle, not a stingle. I am really impressed. Like my scalp feels very clean, but not stripped at all. Like I don't like that like rubbery feeling. I just like that kind of like that silky feeling, and that's what I have right now. It's clipped up, but let me just, like you can even see like how soft my roots look right now, like, and they feel insanely soft. Like I'm really, really impressed. And then as far as the rest of my hair, like I wasn't really trying to detangle it or anything, but it did come out to be quite like manageable, which I'm really impressed with as well, because I wasn't expecting that from something that I just put on the roots of my hair. But as I rinsed it out, I was like, oh, okay, like I don't have like tons of knots or anything. Of course, there's still parts of my hair that are like, haven't even really been fingered through, so my scalp just feels really good. Like it feels light. It feels light, but not, you know, like it still has like that coating on it that like, oh, like a healthy oil is still on my hair. So I'm actually really, really impressed with that. Like that's A1. Like that's not something that happens a lot. No shit got real because my shit is caked up. Let's go in with the Volume Thickening Shampoo. I'm just gonna put this in 2 sections because y'all, I don't even really section my hair on the day-to-day. I'm just trying to be like, you know, a good person. And I'm gonna put this throughout the length of my hair because I put product through the length of my hair. That's kind of like my science with it. But like, do you see what I'm talking about when I say shampoo like defines your hair? Like, there's something about it, because I didn't really like heavily shampoo and until like recently, and I'm just noticing such a difference. Like that gel will clump your hair together, but not always in a good way. You know what I mean? Like this kind of like resets your hair. I am gonna make sure I get it in the back roots because that is where I want more of my volume and everything. Like I'm just really getting tired of having flat hair, and I need a change because I don't know, I just can't do it any longer. Like it's very frustrating having flat hair in Texas. Like bro, you know we are not about that shit. We are big hair bitches. This is super shampooed, but also a little detangled. Like, look at that. Look how defined my hair looks. Like, oh, I'm so excited. Like, watch this out. So I'm gonna do the other side, and then we will rinse. Something to keep in mind when you are rinsing out shampoo, just make sure your water runs completely clear. Especially if you have curly hair, it's just really important to make sure all the product is out of your hair. And next, we're going to use the Cure Intense Repair Mask. Right now, my hair is feeling like it's been shampooed. It's not feeling like amazing. It definitely wants some love. Oh, she's thick. She is very, very thick. But malleable, you know? I'm taking this root sip. Like it feels balmy, and then as it kind of warms up, it just becomes a little bit kind of like creamier, but it definitely has like a balm like texture overall. And it kind of just like sinks into the hair. And it says to let sit for 10 minutes. I'm trying to get this done in an appropriate amount of time, so I'm gonna follow the instructions. I'm gonna do 10 minutes and then I'll be back. Okay, we are out of the shower, and honestly, okay, so the Cure is $38. It's almost a $40 effing mask. This one is $28. Still steep for me, in my opinion. And at first I was like, will there be a difference? First time I used this, I used Soul Food, or did this routine 4 days ago. I used Soul Food as my hair mask. And then today I use the Cure. I'm not gonna lie, there is a difference when you rinse it out. It does feel like an absolute dream. Like it feels like I noticed the difference. I was like, oh bitch, wait a minute, I feel it. But I'm a results person. Don't really care how shit feels in the moment. So we'll see if there's an actual difference. But so far I did notice that rinsing it out was insane. Like it felt so good. My hair felt so soft. Just lovely. Just plop my hair real quick. Let me grab a t-shirt. What you want to do is just twist the front, and really you don't have to twist your hair in this. You can just twist the actual towel, and then your hair is kind of just loosely in there. And then, whew. And that is how I personally plop. And then sometimes I just tuck it under because I am gonna like give it a second because it's really, really wet. And then I'll get dressed, lotion up, finish my skincare, and then we'll come back and style. Plopped for a little bit. So next, gonna go in with a leave-in. So Supernova is a moisture and shine cream leave-in. This also has a little bit of heat protection to it. This is the Textia. It's just a nice cream. It's quite creamy. And just use the prayer hands method. My hair feels really moisturized actually. I'm actually really impressed. So basically, they are completely pretty much sold out with their curl line, which kind of makes me feel like it's really good. So I'm pretty excited about that. But their curl cream and gel gone. The only thing I could get was their cleansing conditioner, which I will do a review on. But yeah, so as far as texture products, for curl, I thought Hot Mess would be a good one to try. So this is their texture gloss. It's like a cream with glitter, and it's like cream, gel, and glitter. And then I just go in the same way with prayer hands just to evenly distribute the gloss. Okay, and I'm gonna start finger coiling. And I like to do this very like roughly, very simple, especially when I'm gonna diffuse, because it really doesn't like do anything for me personally to, you know, do too much. Sometimes I do 2 fingers, depending on the curl. Sometimes I do 1, but yeah. And I try and just find the curl, like see like this is not gonna curl together. You know, just like geographically putting curls that would actually be together. And this is what it looks like after it's being coiled. I am gonna let it dry a little bit more. That's what I like to do sometimes, is just give it a moment to air dry and then diffuse, just so I'm not sitting here forever. So usually at this time, I'm gonna do my makeup, clean up a little bit, and then, you know, and then I'll get down to diffusing it. Okay. This is what it looks like right now. So I'm back, I'm ready to diffuse my hair. It's probably been like less than an hour, maybe 30 minutes. And I use my Revlon. I've been using this baby forever. This is the Revlon Tourmaline Iconic Ceramic, I don't know. But you can find this like anywhere. Walgreens, Ulta, you can find this hoe anywhere. And then I do use the diffuser attachment that comes with it. It's nice and big. And it goes on like that. And then I just go like this, hold it onto my hair for as long as possible, and then move on to my next section. All right. I do have a more in-depth tutorial on that, and I will link it, but it just gets really loud. So I'm gonna do my thing real quick, and we will be back with a somewhat final result. At this point, this is when I'd want to put in my like oil. So I'm gonna use the Amika Glass Action. It's a universal elixir. This just smells so good, and this is really gonna tell me if I really like it or if I just like the smell of it. But I'm just gonna put that through my curls. It's already looking really, really shiny. That's the first thing I noticed, is my hair does not usually look this shiny. That's always the thing I'm chasing, is like super shiny curls, more so than anything. So hopefully this will just be like the like, the cherry on top. I was like, what the fuck am I talking about? Actually, we are almost done. So this is my hair, for the most part, dry. It's not perfect, it's not a hundo, and I mean, it never will be. Go back in with Glass Action. For the texture, this is definitely like an oil serum. I wouldn't, and it calls itself an elixir, so like, yeah, I would say this is an oil serum. I'm just gonna go through. Remember, I finger coiled my hair, so some of these are still kind of like coiled around each other. I just like volume, so I'm just gonna go in, and anything that's like lumped together like this, I'm gonna kind of like separate. I'm not gonna do too much, just because like I know most people want their hair to last for a couple days. If you're doing this every day, please stop and go get help. Yeah, and that is my curly hair routine with Amika products. If there's anything you guys want me to try, let me know, because I have those 2 other masks, and I also have a mousse, which I like to try, and then I also have the cleansing conditioner, so you'll be seeing new videos soon. This is a must-have. I just like it. I like the smell, I like the texture. I used it for a few days when like my hair wasn't like fresh out, and it made it look better. So I actually really like this. I think it's nice. I wish the packaging wasn't like glass, it just makes me nervous, but besides that, it's a good little serum. As far as the shampoo, I would like to use the shampoo and conditioner together and then give you guys a proper review. But I mean, as much as I don't want to recommend it, I don't not recommend it. It's nice, like it's a really good repair mask. I wish I'd left it in for more than 10 minutes, but I was just trying to get this video done for you guys. So not my next wash day, but the wash day mid-January, I will probably end up using this again and using it for like a really long time, probably even giving it a steam and see what that does. But I do definitely like the soul food too. If you want money off, you can always use my discount code and get you guys something. Don't ever pay full price for anything, please, hunty. And no, I'll have the code down below. I'll have the link in the code down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any requests, let me know. Hair isn't always easy. and I don't like to make it seem like I just like woke up like this. Like, no, this was 4 hours of fucking work, almost $300 of product later, and a damn near broken arm. Like, no, it ain't easy, it ain't cute, and then on top of that, years of not straightening my hair. So like, it's just, it takes a lot of time. If you wonder how I transitioned, I also had a video on that. Enjoy its good days, embrace the bad days. It'll be okay. We're gonna get through it together. Always leave me a question or comment down below, let me know, and I will help you through it. I will guide the way, and we will get through this together. And if you liked it, don't forget to leave it a like. If you liked me, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see more of me, you can always check me out on my Instagram, Yvanna Brooke, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!